What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie Infinity Fire and Ice. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, look at here, the stitching is crooked, stitching is messed up on the fake one compared to the authentic. And also the stitching here, look at my pointer, is too close with the midsole. And pay attention to this, the Nike swoosh, between the Nike swoosh here and the line here is a little bit too far compared to the authentic. The authentic is too close. And also this one, you can see here, the stitching is too close with the midsole, slightly go down. Another sample here, you can see the stitching is wrong direction, it's reversed on the fake one compared to the authentic. And this one, you can see the stitching here is end up on the fake one, and it's end up like a V letter, whereas on the authentic there's it's end up like a A shape here. Another sample again, you can see is on the fake one is end up like a V letter, on the authentic it's like a A. And this one you can see again, and don't pay attention to this, you can see the white glue stain here. It's a little bit dirty on the fake one. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, it's pretty easy. You can see the wall Kyrie logo on the authentic, it is standing straight vertical, whereas on the fake one you can see it's slightly come up. We cannot see the fully logo here. And this one also you can see it's a little bit sloopy on the fake one, and we cannot see full logo here. Take a closer look, you can see the Kyrie logo here is it's not placed right in the middle, it's slightly to the left. And this one, the easiest part of the spotting fake of Kyrie Infinity, just directly moving to the outsole here, especially on the signature. The signature on the fake one is not placed right in the middle always, it's maybe slightly to the left or maybe slightly to the right. Another sample again, this one is slightly to the right, you can see here. And this one also, this one is slightly go down. You can see here there is a gap here on the bottom. This one is slightly go down, this one is slightly to the right. Another sample again, this one is slightly come up, it's too narrow. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, I hope you understand. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video just like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.